How to open Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can open Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to open up Telegram without phone number, right off the bat when you open the Telegram application, you can see the very first thing that it asks me is to simply enter my phone number. So there is no option to actually enter my email address, which concludes that there is no option that we can actually use Telegram without having a phone number. But let's say you are underage and you don't have a legal SIM card because your country has another type of restrictions and regulations, and you still want to use Telegram. Now in that case, the only way you can use Telegram is using a virtual phone number, and there are many websites that are completely legal that offer you this type of virtual phone numbers that you can use. So you can check that out, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter the phone number and receive a verification code and log into Telegram in that way. This way you should be able to open Telegram without phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.